Alright, so back with another video on the remodel. This one's on a railing. This is just a quick railing that I whipped up, and there's the old one. It was definitely in need of a update. I mean, I really liked the old railing, don't get me wrong, it just wasn't the right color, and it really wasn't built that great either. Like it wasn't built as well as it looked. So started off with some 2x6s and did some pocket joinery. I mean, got it solid. Did a lot of sanding because you can't leave a railing rough because hands are going to be touching it. You're going to need to wipe it down, and it really needs to be protected with a lot of coats of polyurethane, especially when you have 4 kids. So there's the top I whipped up. Scrap wood. A lot of this was scrap wood. I have so much, so might as well utilize it. And then it's so dark. The lighting is horrible in this room, by the way, and I'm usually doing the filming at night, so hence why it looks really bad. That was before everything was stained, but this one is 10 times more solid. The other railing was probably 50 years old or so, probably older than that. And from all the years of people walking down it and yanking on it when they walk around the corner, it started to get loose. So this one should have a couple years. I should get a couple years out of it at least, I hope. So I decided to stain the top and bottom, dark walnut, and then leave the middle ones blonde, just to kind of mix it up a little bit. And then I also did some work on the ceiling. Some more furring strips, constantly staining these furring strips. It's like it's never going to end. So, but the ceiling, as you can see there, needed done pretty bad, which I'm so glad that was throwing everything off. So, and I am going to continue on the ceiling up there, but I just haven't. I'm at a good stopping point. I'm going to hold off for a while. But yeah, it worked out pretty nice. And videos, especially this video that's shot with my cell phone, it really serves it no justice. Like, you really have to see it in person